Question number 1. Which disease presents with polyuria, polydipsia, and polyphagia? Correct option is D. Diabetes mellitus. Question number 2. Which disease presents with jaundice and dark urine? Correct option is A. Hepatitis. Question number 3. Which disease presents with neck stiffness and photophobia? Correct option is C. Meningitis. Question number 4. Which condition causes increased intracranial pressure? Correct option is D. Brain tumor. Question number 5. Which vitamin deficiency causes bleeding gums? Correct option is C. Vitamin C. Question number 6. Which drug is used for anaphylactic shock? Correct option is A. Adrenaline. Question number 7. Which position is used for rectal examination? Correct option is B. Symes position. Question number 8. Which electrolyte is most abundant in extracellular fluid? Correct option is A. Sodium. Question number 9. Which disorder is characterized by persistent sadness? Correct option is C. Depression. Question number 10. Which disease causes airway obstruction and breathlessness? Correct option is A. Asthma. Question number 11. Which condition causes high blood pressure in pregnancy? Correct option is D. Preeclampsia. Question number 12. Which disorder causes extreme mood swings? Correct option is A. Bipolar disorder. Question number 13. Which cell produce antibodies in the body? Correct option is C. B. Lymphocyte. Question number 14. Which hormone regulates metabolism in the body? Correct option is B. Thyroxine. Question number 15. Which position is used to examine the vagina? Correct option is D. Lithotomy position. Question number 16. Which procedure measures electrical activity of heart? Correct option is A. ECG. Question number 17. Which nursing technique prevents infection? Correct option is D. Sterilization. Question number 18. Which of the following vaccine prevent tetanus? Correct option is A. DPT vaccine. Question number 19. Which vitamin deficiency causes beriberi? Correct option is C. Vitamin B1. Question number 20. Which disease spreads through contaminated food? Correct option is A. Typhoid. Question number 21. Which disease spread through air droplets? Correct option is D. Tuberculosis. Question number 22. Which condition causes seizures during pregnancy? Correct option is A. Eclampsia. Question number 22. 23. Which structure carries urine from kidney to bladder? Correct option is B. Ureter. Question number 24. Which artery supplies blood to the brain? Correct option is A. Carotid artery. Question number 25. Which position is used for patient with spinal injury? Correct option is C. Log rule technique. Question number 26. Which of the following drug is used to lower cholesterol? Correct option is A. Statins. Question number 27. Which organ produce digestive enzymes and insulin? Correct option is B. Pancreas. Question number 28. Which organ is the site of erythropoiesis in adult? Correct option is D. Bone marrow. Question number 29. Which position is used to prevent aspiration during feeding? Correct option is B. Fowler's position. Question number 30. Which disease causes inflammation of joints? Correct option is A. Arthritis. Question number 30. Which disease spread through contaminated water? Correct option is A. Cholera. Question number 32. Which disorder causes persistent sadness? Correct option is D. Depression. Question number 33. Which part of the brain regulate body temperature? Correct option is D. Hypothalamus. Question number 34. Which is the best method to prevent cross infection? Correct option is C. Hand washing. Question number 35. Which route provides the fastest drug absorption? Correct option is B. Intravenous. Question number 36. Which of the following hormone maintains pregnancy? Correct option is D. Progesterone. Question number 37. Which nursing action prevents infection in IV therapy? Correct option is C. Aseptic technique. Question number 38. Which device measures respiratory rate indirectly? Correct option is A. Capnography. Question number 39. Which drug is used in Parkinson's disease? Correct option is A. Levodopa. Question number 40. Which condition causes shortness of breath and edema? Correct option is B. Heart failure. Question number 41. Which disease is caused by bacterial infection of lungs? Correct option is C. Pneumonia. Question number 42. Which of the following vaccine prevents poliomyelitis? Correct option is A. Oral polio vaccine. Question number 43. Which deficiency causes neural tube defect? Correct option is B. Folic acid. Question number 44. Which reflex disappear by 6 months of age? Correct option is A. Moro reflex. Question number 45. Which disease causes a rash and Koplik spot? Correct option is B. Measles. Question number 46. Which disease causes severe diarrhea in infants? Correct option is D. Rotavirus infection. Question number 47. Which hormone regulates sodium and potassium balance? Correct option is C. Aldosterone. Question number 48. Which nutrient is essential for bone health? Correct option is B. Calcium. Question number 49. Which part of the brain controls voluntary movement? Correct option is A. Cerebrum. Question number 50. Which hormone regulates sleep-wake cycle? Correct option is C. Melatonin. Question number 51. Which structure connects muscle to bones? Correct option is A. Tendons. Question number 52. Which nutrient is essential for blood clotting? Correct option is D. Vitamin K. Question number 52. Which nutrient deficiency causes spina bifida? Correct option is C. Folic acid. Question number 53. Where does female reproductive tract often externally? Correct option is C. Vestibule. Question number 54. Which drug causes sustained uterine contraction? Correct option is B. Agrometrine. Question number 55. Which is the most dangerous malpresentation? Correct option is D. Transverse lie. Question number 56. When does uterus return to pelvic cavity after delivery? Correct option is C. 10 days. Question number 57. Which complication is most common in early puriform? Correct option is A. PPH. Question number 58. When is petal heart sound first heard by Doppler? Correct option is C, 10 weeks. Question number 59. Why is iron supplementation advised in pregnancy? Correct option is B, prevent anemia. Question number 60. What is the normal fetal heart rate during labor? Correct option is C, 120 to 160 breaths per minute. Question number 61. Which pelvic plane contains the ischial spine? Correct option is D, mid pelvis. Question number 62. Which position increases pelvic outlet diameter during labor? Correct option is C, squatting. Question number 63. Which uterine muscle layer is responsible for hemostasis? Correct option is A, oblique. Question number 64. Why does uterus remain firm after delivery? Correct option is B, oxytocin release. Question number 65. What is the normal increase in blood volume during pregnancy? Correct option is C, 30 to 50%. Question number 66. Which position reduce vena cava compression during labor? Correct option is D, left lateral. Question number 67. Why is most common complication of breast a breech delivery? Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 68. When is newborn considered low birth weight? Correct option is B, less than 2.5 kilogram. Question number 69. Which condition delay uterine involution? Correct option is A, infection. Question number 70. Which factor increases the risk of peripheral infection? Correct option is B, prolonged labor. Question number 71. Which hormone causes uterine contraction? Correct option is B, oxytocin. Question number 72. Which energy transfer causes heat loss in cold wind? Correct option is B, convection. Question number 73. Which principle explain sweating cooling the body? Correct option is C, evaporation. Question number 74. Which law explain air pressure volume relationship in lungs? Correct option is B, Boyle's law. Question number 75. Which factor reduce radiation exposure? Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 76. Which vitamin helps calcium absorption? Correct option is D, vitamin D. Question number 77. Which electrolyte is essential for enzyme activation? Correct option is B, magnesium. Question number 78. Which nutrient is primary energy source for brain? Correct option is C. Gallicus. Question number 79. Which electrolyte imbalance causes paresthesia? Correct option is a hypocalcemia. Question number 80. Why does anemia causes shortness of breath? Correct option is B. Heart failure. Question number 81. Which drug is used to prevent postpartum hemorrhage? Correct option is A. Oxytocin. Question number 82. Which condition causes chest pain due to myocardial ischemia? Correct option is D. Angina pectoris. Question number 83. Which bacteria commonly causes urinary tract infection? Correct option is B. E. coli. Question number 84. Which site is preferred for intramuscular injection in adults? Correct option is D. Ventrogluteal. Question number 85. Which position improves breathing in respiratory distress? Correct option is A. Fowler's position. Question number 86. Which position is used for vaginal examination? Correct option is A. Lithotomy. Question number 87. Which infection controls method destroyed all microorganisms? Correct option is B. Sterilization. Question number 88. Which pulse is used in unconscious patients? Correct option is B. C. Carotid pulse. Question number 89. What is the normal oxygen saturation in healthy adults? Correct option is C. 95 to 100%. Question number 90. Which term describes high body temperature? Correct option is D. Hyperthermia. Question number 91. Which site used for subcutaneous injection? Correct option is A. Abdomen. Question number 92. Which disease causes airway obstruction? Mucus. Correct option is D. Bronchitis. Question number 93. Which disease causes joint inflammation? Chronic. Correct option is A. Rheumatoid arthritis. Question number 94. Which hormone prepares uterus for pregnancy? Correct option is C. Progesterone. Question number 95. Which disorder causes low mode persistent? Correct option is D. Depression. Question number 96. Which condition causes pregnancy hypertension? Correct option is A. Preeclampsia. Question number 97. Which disease spreads by contaminated water? Correct option is B. Cholera. Question number 98. Which angle used for subcutaneous injection? Correct option is A, 45 degree. Question number 99. Which disease causes kidney inflammation? Correct option is A, nephritis. Question number 100. Which condition causes premature labor? Correct option is D, infection.